Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold.
Honey, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their lace front 13x4 light brown jerry curly wig, and I do have this unit in 24 inches. So I'm going on their site, and it says Donmily Auburn Brown 13x4 lace front wig, jerry curly with baby hair. So this unit does come with baby hairs, but I decided not to utilize them. You can if you want to. It's a choice. The choice is yours, girl. On their site, they say, okay, so as far as the description of this unit, it says hair type is jerry curly as stated. The cap size is the average cap size, and I'm guessing it only comes in an average cap size, which is 22 to 22.5. The color is number 30, chestnut brown color. The length is 14 to 26, and the density available is 150% density. And those are like all the details that they have about this unit. Okay, so as I stated, I do have it in 24 inches. I do feel like this unit is 24 inches. She's giving 24 to me, honey. Y'all can let me know what you guys think down below. As far as shedding and tangling, it really, honestly, y'all, this was some of the softest curly hair I have ever gotten. It was so freaking soft. It was so nice in its natural state that I honestly didn't even want to brush it out and then, you know, apply my mousse and stuff, but I decided to anyway. But yeah, the hair is really soft. Is like literally not tangly at all. Straight out of the packaging, in my opinion. Like, usually I expect it to tangle some when it's a curly unit, but this one really was not tangly whatsoever. As far as shedding, it did shed a little bit, but it was just a little bit of shedding. I do expect a little shedding with jerry curly hair, or with curly hair in general, but to me this one didn't really shed a whole lot whatsoever. As far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Now, I did bleach the knots, but I did not have to tweeze this unit at all, which is always a plus in my book, because you know your girl do not like to tweeze, honey. You know your girl is not for the tweezing, okay? So that was a plus, but I did decide to bleach the knot. Oh, and I also want to mention that I did use the ball cap method with this particular install. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lip check, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, you already know what my con is, because you know I like to start with the cons, because I like to end on a high note, and I'm pretty sure you already know what the con is. My one and only con is going to be the fact that it's a 13x4, okay? And lately, I've been doing the curve part. With this one, I just decided to, well, girl, bust down the middle, honey. But you know, you have to still be really, really careful with that, like, or else the welt, because the welt is right here, it will show. So that is my one and only con with this wig. Alright, honey, so my pros with this unit is, first of all, the color is life. Okay, the color is freaking everything. This is like one of my favorite colors to wear nowadays. Like, I just love this color. I also love the texture of it. I love the fullness of it, despite the fact there's 150% density. Oh, girl, it's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. So I love that as well. I also love that it came pre-tweezed. So those are all of my pros with this wig. Alright, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Comment down below. Once again, shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, y'all, the direct link will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you